How many times do we feel a weight off of our chests when we humble ourselves to our brothers and our sisters and we reconcile? Why did you wait so long? Because those 70,000 mouths were open. Sometimes the human beings too. Don't do it, it will decrease you. It will decrease you. It will decrease you. It will humiliate you. It will lower you. They don't deserve it. You're right, they don't deserve it, but maybe you deserve it from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And so, dear brothers and sisters, to feel like you've given up too much to an ungrateful one is natural. But to feel like you've given it up for the sake of the most grateful, ash-shakur, is empowering. Because your life is a journey between you and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and everyone that is placed in the path is a part of that journey between you and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala allow us to always be willing to give for His sake. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala allow us to give of our ego, to give of our wealth, to give of whatever it may be, to seek His higher reward. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala never make us amongst those who act in ways that are fruitless or reckless. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala purify our intentions and reward us for our deeds. Allahumma ameen. أقول قولي هذا واستغفر الله لكم ولسائر المسلمين فاستغفروا إنه هو الغفور الرحيم.